In a world where power is often measured by war, Imran Khan redefined leadership through peace. From preventing war with India to brokering historic peace talks in Afghanistan and fighting Islamophobia on the global stage, his diplomacy saved lives and set new standards for conflict resolution. For his unwavering commitment to peace and justice, he earned a Nobel Peace Prize nomination, a testament to his global impact. His key peace initiatives include choosing peace over conflict, preventing war with India. He de-escalated India-Pakistan tensions by returning a captured Indian pilot. Ceasefire agreement with India. He brokered a ceasefire agreement along the line of control to prevent border tensions. Diplomatic efforts on the Iran-Pakistan border clashes. He engaged in talks to de-escalate tensions and improve security cooperation. Opposition to military solutions. He opposed foreign wars, including the Iraq War and the US intervention in Afghanistan. He maintained a neutral stance in the Russia-Ukraine war, refusing to take sides in the war and calling for diplomatic solutions. Mediating global conflicts. He facilitated the Afghan peace process, opposing foreign intervention, pushing for an Afghan-led solution. He was also a key facilitator in the US-Taliban peace talks, leading to the Doha Agreement. On the Saudi-Iran rivalry, he personally intervened to ease tensions. He also maintained an anti-war stance on the Yemen conflict. He refused to join the Saudi-led military intervention in Yemen, advocating for a political solution instead. Advocacy for Kashmir and Palestine. He strongly condemned Israeli aggression and called for peace in Gaza. He raised concerns over India and Israel's oppression at UNCA and all other major global fora. Advocacy against the Rohingya genocide. He urged UN action against Myanmar for its treatment of Rohingya Muslims. Advocacy against Islamophobia. He urged world leaders to stand against Islamophobia. He led efforts at the UN and the OIC, resulting in March 15th being declared the International Day to Combat Islamophobia. Promoted interfaith harmony. He launched the Kartarpur Corridor Initiative, which allowed Indian Sikh pilgrims visa-free access to Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Pakistan, promoting religious harmony. Humanitarian and social reforms. Provision of free education to the underprivileged. He established Nummel University in 2008 and Al Qadr Trust, offering free, modern, and spiritual education for those in need. Free cancer treatment for the needy. Imran Khan founded Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital in 1994, Pakistan's first charity-based cancer hospital, providing free treatment to over 75% of patients. Proactive leadership in COVID-19 management. His smart lockdowns, healthcare expansion, and Asas emergency cash program saved lives and livelihoods, earning global praise. Key role in polio eradication. He strengthened vaccination drives, countered misinformation, and mobilized resources, significantly reducing polio cases and earning global applause. Major reforms for women's rights. His government strengthened laws on domestic violence, harassment, and honor killings, while Asas empowered women through financial inclusion and education. Groundbreaking reforms for transgender rights. He enforced the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act, ensuring legal recognition, healthcare, and employment for the community. Launched the Asas program, Pakistan's biggest anti-poverty initiative. Struggle for justice and human rights. Fierce fight for democracy and rule of law. Imran Khan battled corruption, judicial interference, and electoral fraud, facing imprisonment, persecution, media censorship, and an assassination attempt, yet remained steadfast in his fight for justice and sovereignty. He protected 3 million Afghan refugees with healthcare and education, humanitarian aid for Afghanistan. He sent food, medicine, and financial aid to prevent an Afghan humanitarian crisis. Prisoner exchange as a peace gesture. He released several Indian and Afghan prisoners as goodwill gestures. Humanitarian efforts for prisoner repatriation. His diplomacy secured the release of thousands of Pakistanis jailed for minor offenses in Saudi Arabia, reuniting them with their families. Influencing Sri Lanka's cremation policy reversal. He opposed forced cremations of COVID-19 victims, advocating for Muslim burial rights, leading to a policy reversal. Merger of Fatah with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. He integrated war-torn tribal areas into Pakistan's legal system to ensure peace. Landmark achievement in climate action. His billion tree and 10 billion tree tsunami initiatives helped Pakistan achieve UN SDG 13 on climate action 10 years ahead of schedule, gaining international recognition. And he also planted more than 1 billion trees, making Pakistan a climate action leader. He linked climate stability with global peace through environmental initiatives. Promoted regional connectivity and trade for peace. He advocated for Pakistan's trade ties with Afghanistan, Iran, and Central Asia for regional stability. True leadership is tested in crisis, and Imran Khan consistently chose peace over war, unity over division, and justice over silence. His legacy is defined by bold actions, diffusing conflicts, negotiating peace, and advocating for the oppressed. His Nobel Peace Prize nomination isn't just an accolade, but a recognition of a leader who reshaped global diplomacy. In a world torn by conflict, he proved that real strength lies not in power, but in making peace possible.